In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix iPhone battery drain on iOS 16. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. There are a couple of different ways how you can fix that, and let's start with the first way. So open up Settings, then tap on General, and here tap Add Software Update. Wait until checking is complete, and here if you got some new iOS version, just hit there at download and install, then type in your passcode and wait until downloading and installing is complete. Latest software update can fix your issues with battery drain. And let's move to the next thing. Just lock your device, then unlock it, then hold down on the lock screen and right here hit on Customize. There you can tap Add that widgets section and just disable all that widgets, because that can take a lot of battery resources for their work. Just hit at that minuses and then tap here at the free space of the screen and then tap Done and hit Add Set as Wallpaper Pair. Then you can tap on your lock screen and that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.